Good morning. We're here at the table saw. We're going to cut a sheet of laminate, and what common problems we experience is the laminate dives underneath the table saw fence. So we're going to make a small improvement on that real quick. We're going to give our invention a shot here. We took an aluminum channel from any kind of store fixture glass, and we clamped it with a couple clamps to our fence. And Nick and I are going to give it a shot, and we've already added a 16th to the dimension to account for the extra metal thickness. But since we always oversize our laminate, it doesn't matter as much because we have plenty of slop in our cut. Curl it like this. So the part I noticed is our wheels caused a little bit extra friction. I don't know if they're worth having, or if maybe I should get a smaller channel, or maybe make an improvement and make it narrower so that we don't have to even use the wheels. Not sure. You saw Nick and I trying to hold the wheels down. It was a little extra effort, but it was a lot better cut than we've experienced in the past.